In this video, we are asked to solve the equation simultaneously. Now, looking at the equation, if you look at the left-hand side, you will see that the expressions are the same, just that we have different signs or different operators for each of the equation. Now, to simplify these particular expressions, at the left-hand side, we make some simple substitution. So we have that let P be equal to log 27 in base x, and also let Q be equal to log 4 in base y. So therefore, the equation now becomes P plus Q is equal to 5, and we have that P minus Q is equal to 1. So let's call here equation 3, and also call here equation 4. Now at this point, we can solve equation 3 and equation 4 simultaneously. So if we add equation 3 and 4, we have that this becomes P plus P is 2P, and Q minus Q, we cancel that, and also 5 plus 1 is 6. So P is equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Thus, P is equal to 3. Now, having obtained the value of P, let us now obtain the value of Q. So to obtain the value of Q, we substitute the value of P into equation 4. So we have that P minus Q is equal to 1. But the value of P is obtained to be 3. So this becomes 3 minus Q is equal to 1. So at this point, Q is equal to 3 minus 1. So Q is equal to 2. But note that we made a substitution that P is equal to log 27 in base S, and Q is equal to log 4 in base Y. So therefore, we have it that but P is equal to log 27 in base X, and Q is equal to log 4 in base Y. So now, from this point, this becomes log 27 in base S. The value of P is equal to 3. And also, at this point, we have log 4 in base Y is equal to 2. Now, we know that from the relationship between indices and logarithm, these expressions here can become 27 equal to x raised to the power of 3. And at this point, we have 4 is equal to y raised to the power of 2. Now, we can express 27 in the powers of base 3. So this becomes 3 raised to the power of 3 equal to x raised to the power of 3. And also, we can express 4 in the powers of base 2. So this becomes 2 raised to the power of 2 equal to y raised to the power of 2. So note that since the index are equal, it follows that s is equal to 3, and also y is equal to 2. So at this point, we have been able to obtain the value of x and the value of y. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more maths videos like this.